Dear students, in this module, we will learn simple average of relatives method. This method, we will do two problems to learn the computation. Now, if you see the introduction, we know that index numbers are calculated and it's used extensively in business, social science, research everywhere for comparison, for taking appropriate policies. No, we know that different methods are there for computing index numbers. So in this method, our computation is based on price relatives. Now, what do you mean by price relative? Price relative is the price at the current data expressed as a percentage of the price at the base data. That is P1 divided by P0. P1 is the current year price and P0 is the base year price. And price relatives values are calculated for all values. So you have to remember that current year meaning the latest year and the previous year will be the base year. So in this example, I have used 2021 as the current year and 2020 as the base year. Now, average of relatives is computed using any measure of central tendency. That meaning mean, median, mode, geometric mean or harmonic mean can be used. So either we are using arithmetic mean or geometric mean. Other methods of central tendency we are not using for the computation of index numbers. So these methods are used either arithmetic mean or geometric mean. And in this problem, we are using both the methods, arithmetic mean and geometric mean for computation. So if arithmetic mean is used, the formula is P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 into 100, the whole divided by n. N is denoting the number of items. Now, if geometric mean is used for averaging the price relatives, the formula is P01 is equal to anti-log sigma log P divided by n, where P or the price relative is P1 divided by P0 into 100. And price relatives, as I already mentioned, it's calculated for all values whether we are using arithmetic mean or geometric mean for computation. Now the first problem. From the following data, construct an index for 2021 taking 2020 as the base year for the average of relatives method by using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So the commodities A, B, C, D and E, prices in 2020, that is the base year or the P0, 50, 40, 80, 100 and 20. Prices in 2021, that is P1, 70, 60, 90, 120 and 20. Now the solution, you can see that first column we are showing the commodities. Second one is prices in 2020, that is the P0 values. Next is prices in 2021, that is P1 values. And now the last column is the price relatives, that is P1 divided by P0 into 100. That meaning price relatives we are calculating for all the values. This computation is based on arithmetic mean. So price relative, the first one, we will calculate 70 divided by 50 into 100. That is how we are getting 140. That is how it's calculated for all other commodities. That is 70 divided by 50 into 100 is equal to 140. Now we have to substitute the values in the equation. P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by P0 into 100 divided by n. When we substitute the values, 622.50 divided by 5. N is the number of observations. Here 5 commodities are there. That is how we are getting 5. So the computed value or the index is 124.50. Now we have to write the interpretation, that meaning prices in 2021 increased by 24.50% compared to prices of 2020 for the index or the commodities included in the index. Commodities are A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to do the same problem using geometric mean as the average. So commodities, P0 values, P1 values, price relative and the log P values are there because geometric mean is based on logarithm values. So P01, if you take anti-log of sigma log P divided by n. Here also n is number of observation. P is the price relative values. Price relative we have to calculate for all values. The first value we are getting as 140. Then the log value we have to take, the total log P is 10.4526 divided by 5. That is equal to anti-log 2.09052. So we are getting the index value as 123.17. Now we have to write the interpretation, that is prices increased by 23.17% in 2021 compared to that of 2020. Now we have to do the second problem. Using simple average of relatives method, compute an index number using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Take 2020 as the base year and 2021 as the current year. So commodities A, B, C, D, E and F. Prices in 2020, that is P0, 15, 18, 16, 14, 25 and 40. Prices in 2021, 30, 24, 20, 21, 35 and 30. Now we have to do the computation. Both the methods we have to use, that is using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So arithmetic mean computation is based on price relatives. So price relatives we have to calculate for all values. That is P1 divided by P0 into 100. That is 30 divided by 15 into 100. That is the first value 200. Now log P values we have to take for all the price relative values. Then you have to take the total of log P values for using geometric mean. Now when we see that if arithmetic mean is used, we are getting index as 823.33 divided by 6. 6 is the number of observations. That means you are getting index as 137.22. If you are using geometric mean, you are getting the index as 131.83. Now you can see the difference in the values when you are using different averages. This will be a limitation for this method also. Now, if you see the merits, equal importance is given to all items. We are not giving any special importance for special items. Equal importance is given. Weights are not assigned in this computation. Next is extreme items do not influence the index computation, because if the prices of petrol or diesel or cooking gas, anything is going up, then we are not giving any importance for that. If an item is included, that will get the equal importance like other items included in the index. Then computation is based on price relatives. P1 divided by P0 into 100, and price relatives we are calculating for all items included in the index. Now price relatives are pure numbers, so it will not affect the calculation. Now price quotations also do not affect the computation. Price quotation meaning we have two options, either wholesale prices we can take or retail prices. So whichever price we are taking, that method we will be following for all the commodities included in the index. So that is also not going to affect the computation. Now the demerits, if you see that selection of an appropriate formula, we have two options. One is either we can use arithmetic mean or we can use geometric mean. So if we use different formula, different answers we will get. So that is another limitation. So first one is selecting an appropriate formula, whether we have to use arithmetic mean, or second one is we have to use the geometric mean. Then second one is if you are using different formulas, we will get different values as the index. Then equal importance for all items in the index is a wrong assumption. Different items will get different weights. We have to give different weights according to its importance in the index. Then only we can calculate an appropriate index. Then the last point is some relatives are important than others. That meaning some items are getting more importance than others. Some items we cannot exclude when we are doing that index computation. Housing, clothing, the entertainment. Whereas certain items we cannot give so much importance, because we may not be going for, some families may not be going for traveling and all. So that values should not be included in the index. But there are some items which are necessary, we have to include in the index. Those items should give more importance. So these are the limitations of the method, and this is what I want to explain in this module. Thank you.